Have you ever noticed how some people slowly lose respect, and they never even realize it's happening? Nobody tells them. Nobody warns them. People still smile at them, still talk to them, still act normal. But behind the scenes, something changes. Their opinions matter less. Their words carry less weight. Their presence becomes easier to ignore. And the scary part is this: most of the time, it has nothing to do with money, looks, or status. People unknowingly destroy respect through small habits they repeat every single day. Habits that seem harmless at first, but silently change the way others see them. In this video, we're going to uncover the Stoic mistakes that secretly make people lose respect and, more importantly, how to stop them before they damage your life. Stay until the end because the final lesson is something most people never notice until it's already too late. And if you're serious about becoming stronger, more respected, and mastering Stoic wisdom, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's begin. The first thing that secretly destroys respect is neediness. And no, I'm not just talking about relationships. Neediness appears in small ways that people rarely notice. Constantly seeking validation. Always trying to impress people. Repeating your achievements hoping someone praises you. Looking around after saying something just to see if people approve. It feels harmless. But people sense it instantly. And the strange thing is, the more you chase respect, the faster it runs away from you. The Stoics believe that a person obsessed with other people's opinions becomes a slave to them. Think about that for a second. If your mood changes because someone approves of you today and ignores you tomorrow, then who is actually in control of your life? Now imagine two people walking into a room. One desperately wants everyone to like them. The other simply walks in being comfortable with who they are. Who do you naturally respect more? The answer is obvious. Because confidence isn't screaming, "Look at me." Confidence quietly says, "I know who I am." But this next mistake is even worse because almost everyone does it, and many people destroy respect without saying a single wrong word. The next mistake is saying yes to everything. At first, it sounds like kindness. It sounds like being helpful. It sounds like being a good person. But over time, something strange starts happening. People stop appreciating you. They start expecting you. They start assuming you'll always be available, always agree, always sacrifice your own priorities. And without realizing it, you slowly become the person people use instead of the person people respect. The Stoics understood a painful truth: if you don't set boundaries, people will set them for you. Think about your own life. How many times have you agreed to something you didn't want to do? How many times have you stayed quiet just to avoid conflict? How many times have you said yes while your mind was screaming no? Because every time you ignore your own values to make everyone comfortable, you teach people something dangerous. You teach them that your time, your energy, and your standards don't matter. And here's where it gets scary. Because the next habit destroys respect faster than almost anything else, and many people repeat it every single day without even noticing it. The habit is complaining all the time. And here's the thing, most people don't even realize they're doing it. They complain about traffic. They complain about work. They complain about people. They complain about problems, weather, stress, bad luck, and eventually complaining becomes their personality. At first, people listen because they care. Then they listen because they're being polite. Then slowly, they stop listening at all. The Stoics believe that suffering itself doesn't destroy a person. Constantly feeding suffering with attention does. Think about it. Have you ever been around someone who always has a problem, always has drama, always has something negative happening? After a while, you start feeling exhausted around them. Not because you hate them, but because negativity is heavy. Now don't misunderstand this. Everyone struggles. Everyone has bad days. Real strength isn't pretending life is perfect. Real strength is refusing to let problems become your identity. Because respected people don't spend their lives asking, why is this happening to me? They ask, what can I do about it? And if you think that's the biggest respect killer, what comes next is even more dangerous, because this one destroys respect silently, and people rarely tell you when it's happening. The final habit is having no self-respect. And this one is dangerous because it hides behind small actions. Letting people constantly disrespect you and saying nothing. Breaking promises to yourself over and over again. Saying you'll change tomorrow, then repeating the same cycle again. Slowly, something starts happening. You stop trusting yourself. And when you stop respecting yourself, other people begin feeling it too. The Stoics understood that respect doesn't start outside of you. It starts inside of you. Because people treat you based on the standards you set for yourself. Think about that. If you constantly ignore your own values, ignore your own boundaries, ignore your own promises, why would the world take them seriously? Now let's put everything together. Stop chasing approval. Stop saying yes to everything. Stop feeding negativity every day. And most importantly, respect yourself enough to stand by your values. Because the truth is, people don't suddenly wake up and decide to lose respect for someone. It happens slowly, through repeated behaviors, repeated choices, and repeated habits. But here's the good news. The same way respect can be lost, it can also be rebuilt. Starting today. Starting with small actions. Speak with confidence. Protect your time. Stay calm under pressure. Keep your word even when nobody is watching. Because real respect isn't demanded. Real respect is earned through consistency. And here's something I want you to remember. You can fake confidence. You can fake status. You can fake success for a little while. But you cannot fake character forever. Eventually, people see who you really are. So ask yourself honestly, are your daily habits making people respect you more, or slowly pushing respect away without you realizing it? Because that answer can quietly change your entire life. Before you leave, I want you to do something most people won't do, be brutally honest with yourself. Which habit is hurting your respect the most right now? Seeking approval? Saying yes too much? Complaining? Or not respecting yourself enough? Drop your answer in the comments with just one word. I read them all, and I want to know who's truly paying attention. And if this video made you realize something about yourself today, hit that like button because someone else out there needs to hear this too. Subscribe and join this journey if you want to become mentally stronger, more respected, and master Stoic wisdom. And don't stop here, watch the next video on your screen right now, because the person you become tomorrow starts with the decisions you make today.